Very good morning, children. Yesterday we have discussed about the maximum minimum temperature. How to use maximum minimum temperature for measuring maximum temperature of the day and minimum temperature of the day. We have discussed, and previous we have discussed about the components of the weather. What are the components of the weather? Temperature, rainfall, wind, speed, humidity. These are all the components of the weather. And also we have discussed about the measuring rainfall with rain gas. We also call that measuring instrument, rainfall measuring instrument, as odometer, pulvinometer, anthrometer. We can call this like we can call this type of measuring rainfall instrument as rain gas, odometer, pulvinometer, or anthrometer we can call. How can we measure with the help of that? By observing the reading on that cylindrical shaped measuring tube in the middle. So here we need to take 10 centimeter wide beaker and 10 centimeter width. So same in width and wide we are taking a beaker and insert a funnel inside it, which is cylindrical in shape, and that the reading should be there in centimeters. In millimeters also we can find rainfall measurement. So 1 centimeter is equals to how many mm, Venkateshwarlu? 1 centimeter is equals to how many mm? Millimeters. 10 millimeters. Yes, like that we can find the measurement of the rainfall. And who are responsible for these all weather reports and weather forecasting, measuring rainfalls? The department. Which department is responsible for this? Meteorological department. Is it? Yes, meteorological department is responsible for this. And today we are going to start with the direction of wind. So direction of wind also needed for that. And what are the components of the weather? Temperature. So about the temperature we have discussed yesterday. And next one is rainfall. Rainfall is another one we have finished. Next, wind direction. Third one is about wind speed. So for this, first we need to know the direction of the wind. Then afterwards, speed of the wind. This is the third component of the weather. And next one is humidity. The last component of the weather is humidity. Two, we have finished temperature and rainfall. We have finished how to measure those. We have observed in the last class. Now direction of the wind we need to know. Then speed of the wind. Afterwards, humidity. These two components today we are going to see. And next, climate. About climate we are going to see in this class. So how can we calculate climate? That also we will see. So this lesson will end with that. Direction of wind I am going to start. Actually, we feel very happy in the morning and evening in summer season because of cool breeze will comes. Yes, cool air we can observe, which is very flexible to us. Cool breeze blows. Breeze means the flow or blow, which air blow which can come from the trees movement. Yes, trees that branches will move, leaves will move. So while that time we can get a cool feeling, that is cool breeze. So we can observe in the morning and evening of the summer, that one we can see. And in the afternoon time we cannot survive with that lot of hotness. We cannot able to survive at that time. Inside of the house we cannot feel flexible because of the hotness. And we know that there is air in our surroundings. In our surroundings air is there. And also that moving air is wind. So what is wind? Wind definition I am writing. The moving air is called wind. The moving air is called wind. Moving air wind anamata. We know that in our surroundings air is there. Our surroundings are covered with air. That is only atmosphere we are calling. And we can guess what the direction of the wind is. So by direct observation also we can guess in which direction the air is blowing. That we can conclude with our own. And for this also we can use an instrument which we can made with our own also. Take two cardboard pieces and cut them the shape of the arrow and paste them together, insert a thin needle, or I think you also played like this some small toys cheskoni aadukuntaru kada. Iron wire we needed and the middle of the arrow. The needle must be enough to be fixed on a strong base. Must be enough to fix it on a strong base and should allow the arrow to move along the direction of the wind. If we place an instrument like this, this is the cardboard piece which we can cut in a arrow shape and paste arrow and paste them together, shape of the arrow, and then paste the two cardboard pieces we need to paste and insert a thin needle or thin arrow, thin wire, thin needle or thin iron wire. Needle or iron wire we can insert in the middle of the arrow, and the needle must be enough to a strong base. It should be movable according to the wind. Manaki direction mana arrow mark lo cut chesam kada, it should be show. So while blowing the air it will be turns like this. So while we can observe the air is blowing in this direction, we can make with our own instrument like this. Is it? Now is it okay? Venkateshwarlu, Yashwant, is it okay, Yashwant? Voice is breaking. Okay, clear voice only you are getting? Are you getting? Now is it okay? Shravya? Ledu. Okay, Varsha, is it okay, Nana? Voice is clear only for you? We can also measure the wind speed with the anemometer. We can also measure the wind speed and direction with the help of anemometer, the instrument used for. So rainfall ki instruments unnatte, wind direction and speed ki kuda manaki instruments untayi. Those are anemometers which are useful in meteorological department వాళ్ళు యూస్ చేస్తారు ఇవి. And with an anemometer for wind speed and direction. For wind speed and direction. Speed and direction we can find with the help of anemometer. So these are most probably used in meteorological department. And we can also make the instrument like this to find the wind. In that direction only it will move, the arrow mark will move. So observe the direction of the wind and the tablet. Here they have given one table and with the anemometer this table we can fill. Next, does the wind move in the same direction the whole day? No. In which direction does it move in the morning? In which direction? Morning time. Early morning. In which direction it will be moved? Just guess and tell me. In the early morning time, wind blows in which direction? Guess, Venkateshwarlu.
South. East-west direction because of the rotation of earth. Due to that, in the morning time, east-west blowing will be there in the wind. So the wind in the morning, it will be in east-west direction.
3 directions and northwest also. Northwest means where it is in between the north and west. Vayavyam antar kada aa direction. And west direction, southwest direction, south and southeast. So here 8 types of directions we can say. So any direction the air will blow. Sometimes it will be in the same direction and sometimes it will be change the direction. Like that we can conclude. So here humidity is the next one I am going to tell you. Humidity, about humidity. Humidity is the next one. I think you all know humidity is the water vapor present in the water content present in the air. Yes, vapors enters into the air. Water is heated. When water is heated, the vapors will evaporate into the air, that we know. And here humidity means the amount of water content present in the air. So that is called as humidity. In each and every area we have some amount of humidity present in the air. So that is called as humidity. Actually, it is very sweaty in Vijayawada, less in Hyderabad. In summer season, Vijayawada is more hotter than Hyderabad because it is hotter means there in that places near a river. So Vijayawada is near to the coastal region. It is nearer to that river. So summer is very humid because of more evaporation of water present there. Due to that river area, high sunset will be there. High sunrises, sun rays will be there. Due to that high earth temperature, the evaporation of water into the air is more there. So due to that there is very hot, will feel hot, humidity is more there than Hyderabad. So in places nearer to the coastal regions, nearer to the river, in summer season, coastal region you will feel very sweaty. In addition to the feeling of hot wind కంటే కూడా స్వెట్టి ఫీలింగ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. సో విజయవాడ ఈస్ మోర్ హ్యూమిడ్ దాన్ Hyderabad. Like that, amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. So amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. So humidity will increase due to overheat or over vaporization. It is possible in coastal areas more. So that is the quantity of moisture present in the air. Moisture in the air is called humidity. Air is the humidity we are calling. So more humid means more sweaty. More humid means more sweaty. Example, Vijayawada. So there more evaporation of water taking place because the coastal area in summer season more evaporation is there. So due to that more amount of moisture present in the air there. So humidity is more in Vijayawada. We can feel more sweaty there than Hyderabad. In further classes you are going to see about this humidity more and more. Then now here, why do we feel living in hot and humid region wear cotton cloths? Why we are needed to wear cotton cloths there? Humidity means cotton cloths. Why we need? For getting relief from that. Yes, more sweaty means we can feel very flexible at that time with the help of cotton cloths. In which season is the quantity of moisture in the air high? In which season? Quantity of moisture in the air high. In which season? Evaporation is more undali. Hot moisture, not cool moisture. సమ్మర్ ఎస్ స్వెట్టి ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుంది మనకి సమ్మర్ సీజన్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ అది ఎవాపరేషన్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నప్పుడు హ్యూమిడిటీ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది ఇన్ సమ్మర్ సీజన్ వీ కెన్ గెట్ ద ఫీలింగ్ లైక్ దట్ ఎస్ ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ హ్యూమిడిటీ ఈజ్ లైక్ దట్ సో అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ వేపర్ మీన్స్ ఇయర్ డ్యూ టు ద ఎవాపరేషన్ ఆ మాయిశ్చరైజేషన్ అనేది ఎయిర్ లో కలవాలి ఎవాపరేషన్ మోర్ ఉండాలంటే సమ్మర్ సీజన్ లో ఉంటుంది హ్యూమిడిటీ ఈజ్ మోర్ ఇన్ సమ్మర్ హాట్ ఫీలింగ్ and sweat and heart both so river coastal area lo aithenemo sweating untundi ade Hyderabad like we can feel like hot winds so like that we can see and in which season the quantity is more in summer season the quantity of humidity is more are weather conditions cyclic during the year yes coming year we are going to see next about climate so for understand the climate here first year wise we need to consider then climate means here we need to take the pattern of these type of reports of 25 years we need to take 25 years is called a climate of that place ఒక 25 years weather reports మొత్తం చూసేసి ఫైనల్ గా క్లైమేట్ కన్క్లూడ్ చేస్తారు నాన్న ఇప్పుడు విజయవాడలో ఒక 25 years రిపోర్ట్ చూసి హ్యూమిడిటీ మోరా rainfall మోరా which one is high according to that weather reports of 25 years we can conclude the climate of that place ఒక 25 years నుంచి రిపోర్ట్ చూసి క్లైమేట్ డిసైడ్ చేస్తారు దట్ ఈస్ క్లైమేట్ ద యావరేజ్ వెదర్ ప్యాటర్న్ టేకన్ ఓవర్ along a time of 25 years is called climate of that place I think you got climate means temperature rainfall humidity and wind speed over 25 years we need to consider to decide the climate of one place 25 years report consider cheyali weather antenemo only temperature of one place humidity of one place rainfall and wind speed of one place four aspects we need to see for seeing for observing and for understanding weather and coming to the climate 25 years of weather reports we need to consider to decide the climate of one place is it okay Varsha is it okay Indian yes Indian Meteorological Department describes the weather condition occurring over a relative longer period not a simple time 1 day 2 day 1 year kaadu relatively longer period of time they are observed they are described the weather and for example month of the June we expect the weather to be dry in Bangalore humid in Kolkata hot and dry in parts of Rajasthan cold in Kashmir and rainy in coastal Kerala these are all the climate conditions of that particular places etla fix chesaru 25 years of weather report observe chesi expectations they will give డ్రై ఇన్ బెంగళూరు జూన్ లో డ్రై ఇన్ బెంగళూరు ఉండాల్సిందే ఎందుకంటే 25 years యావరేజ్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు దే కెన్ కన్క్లూడ్ లైక్ దట్ హ్యూమిడ్ ఇన్ కలకత్తా ఇప్పుడు జూన్ అంటే దట్ విల్ బి సమ్మర్ ఎండింగ్ వీ కెన్ డిసైడ్ హౌ కెన్ వి హైదరాబాద్ లో అయితే జూలై ఆగస్ట్ వరకు కూడా ఎండ్ అవ్వదు సో వీ కెన్ కన్క్లూడ్ లైక్ దట్ బై అబ్జర్వింగ్ 25 years ఆఫ్ రిపోర్ట్ దట్ ఈస్ క్లైమేట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఏరియా హాట్ అండ్ డ్రై ఇన్ రాజస్థాన్ ఎట్లా డిసైడ్ చేశారు జూన్ లో హాట్ అండ్ డ్రై రాజస్థాన్ లో ఉంటుందని బై అబ్జర్వింగ్ ద వెదర్ రిపోర్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ 25 years ద క్లైమేట్ ఆఫ్ రాజస్థాన్ విల్ బి ఇన్ జూన్ like hot and dry like that cold in Kashmir rainy in coastal Kerala so like that they can conclude so does it mean that coastal Kerala is it always rainy in the month of June no but by taking the average report we can conclude and oka complaint ochindi nowadays climate is not as ordered as it was so seasonal climate condition do not appear as predictable and a noun so seasonal climate condition మనం ప్రిడిక్ట్ చేసినట్టుగా ఉండకపోవచ్చు why because of our own we are doing so many pollutions we are creating so due to that whatever the climatic conditions previous those may be changeable yes and people living in an area adjust under the climatic conditions while we are observing Kashmir and all in June, those people will feel cold and all. So rainy season will be in coastal area in June. So like that, due to that the climatic conditions, people living in that areas need to adapt to those conditions. For example, the rainfalls has been relatively less for past 2 decades. 20 years onwards, the rainfall will be very less. So this is due to the deforestation and all we are doing. So climatic condition predictions చేంజ్ అయిపోతున్నాయి. వీఆర్ నాట్ ఫీలింగ్ యాజ్ సేమ్. మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఫేస్ చేస్తున్న క్లైమాటిక్ కండిషన్స్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ప్రిడిక్టెడ్ కండిషన్స్, దోస్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్. Like that. And dried canals and tanks are now used for other purposes. We are closing those all canals and tanks, and sometimes we'll cut the trees and we are making so many developments there. Buildings we are building, and so many things we are doing by cutting the forests. Yes, due to that our expectations will be fall down. Expectations tappipothunnayi annamata. Next, climate and lifestyle mostly affects our daily life, is affected by climate only, and we change our lifestyle to suit that climate always. And we can use cotton cloths in summer. We want to drink cool water also at that time. Yes, due to the climatic conditions. And in winter season, we need to protect ourselves from the cold by wearing woolen cloths. And our precautions you would need to take were going to visit Kashmir or Ooty means there most probably people will wear woolen cloths because of controlling that coolness. So like that we can observe. So weather reports and climatic conditions we have observed. I think you got about climate you got. Yes, what is climate by observing 25 years of reports. So climate I want to write. If we find that temperature of a place at a place is generally high for large part of the year, that means large part of the year temperature ఎక్కువ ఉన్నది అనుకోండి, we say that year లో ఎక్కువ part hot గా ఉంటే the climate of that place is hot, we can decide. Yes, that place is hot. So like that we can conclude the climate of the place. That is the average weather pattern. The average weather pattern decides the weather pattern of 25 years taken over a long time, say 25 years. 25 years is called climate of that place. Screen clear only ma, all of you? So that is about climate. Indian Meteorological Department is responsible. Who studies? Meteorological Department. Meteorological Department. IMD in shortcut. IMD studies climate of all places. So this is about this lesson, and question answers you can write. What aspect do you observe to know the predict the weather of your village? Now you can say temperature, wind speed, humidity, rainfall. Yes, these are the aspects. 4 aspects you should write for first question. So next one, where is meteorological department in your area, of which is useful to you? Did you observe this one? Where it is? So where is this one? You can write study material. Are you having all of you? Yes. If it is hot and sweaty at a place, what could be the possible reason for that? What is the hot and sweaty feeling? Means humidity is more. You can write that answer also. So first, third, fourth, you write, Nana. Why do we need to observe weather? Why do people need to observe weather? Maximum temp. Yes, wait, I will start.